Opening scene. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of electric mobility with Toyota's 2025 bZ4X. This all-electric SUV has been making waves, and we're here to break down everything you need to know of features, performance, range, and whether it's worth considering in the rapidly growing F market. Let's get started. Scene transition. Toyota has been a pioneer in hybrid technology for years, but now, they're going all in on electric with the bZ4X. The BZ stands for Beyond Zero, emphasizing Toyota's commitment to carbon neutrality. The 2025 model brings some notable updates, making it even more competitive against rivals like the Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and Ford Mustang Mach-E. Performance and powertrain. Let's talk about performance. The 2025 bZ4X comes in two powertrain options, a front-wheel drive model with a single electric motor producing around 201 horsepower and an all-wheel drive version with dual motors, pushing that up to 215 horsepower. While it may not be the fastest F out there, Toyota focuses on reliability and efficiency. The estimated range is around 252 miles for the front-wheel drive version and slightly lower for the AWD model. Charging is improved, with DC fast charging now offering up to 80% charge in just under 30 minutes, depending on conditions. Exterior and design. The design is futuristic yet retains Toyota's signature reliability-driven approach. The sleek, aerodynamic body, sharp LED headlights, and aggressive front grille give it a modern look. Toyota has also made some minor design tweaks in the 2025 model, refining aerodynamics for better efficiency. Interior and technology. Inside, the 2025 bZ4X offers a spacious and tech-forward cabin. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto comes standard. Toyota's latest software update makes the system smoother and more responsive. The digital instrument cluster is positioned further back, almost like a heads-up display, reducing distractions. Comfort is a priority with soft touch materials, ample legroom, and available heated and ventilated seats. Safety features. Toyota is known for safety, and the bZ4X is no exception. The 2025 model includes Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and an improved pre-collision system. It also has an available hands-free driving assist system for certain highway conditions. Driving experience. So, how does it drive? The bZ4X offers a smooth and quiet ride, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and sound insulation. The regenerative braking system allows for a one-pedal driving experience, making city driving more efficient. Pricing and competition. Pricing starts at around $43,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching the $50,000 mark. It competes with models like the Tesla Model Y, Volkswagen ID.4, and Hyundai Ioniq 5, but Toyota's reputation for reliability could give it an edge. Final thoughts. So, is the 2025 Toyota bZ4X the right F for you? If you're looking for an all-electric SUV with Toyota's trusted reliability, solid range, and advanced safety features, it's definitely worth considering. What do you think about the new bZ4X? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. See you in the next video.